The hell? There's a kid running in the street down there. There's a little kid running in the street down there.
Oh, I do see that. Take that test. Thank you.
No problem.
You're absolutely right. I just saw that. That's crazy. Oh, we're cut.
Okay, yeah, let's leave. We know you're coming over here, buddy. What's up, sir?
What's up, man? Man, y'all just want to draw attention to yourself? No,
well, look, there's nobody around.
In a place where nobody's at.
Better than on the street, right?
That's true.
Okay. The only thing hurting is myself in this situation. But we got to get out of here?
Man, ain't nobody complain. As long as you ain't doing nothing crazy, I ain't mad at you.
Thank you, sir. Protect and serve, baby. That's awesome.
Let me tell you what, boys. I'm going down here, and I'm going to be down here for a little while. Okay.
All right.
It was a good one, man.
All right. Thank you, sir. That's fucking awesome, dude. That's awesome.
I was like...
We got a cop watching us right now. I'm going to keep doing it. He's driving over here again.
He said he didn't care.
He didn't care unless he got a complaint.
Who?
There's nobody here.
What if he came over to tell you your wheelie sucked?
What's up?
You hadn't got it tagged in insurance?
I just bought it like not even a week ago.
So what you just told me is you're riding without insurance, without a tag.
I have insurance.
You got insurance on that?
Yeah.
You just ain't got a tag?
Yeah, it's $7 a month.
$7 a month?
For liability, yeah.
It's motorcycles. You know how cheap motorcycles $7?
$7 a month, and you should.
Who's that through? Huh?
Progressive.
Are you kidding?
$7 a month for liability.
First of all, let me say thank you for not doing it out there on the
highway. Yeah.
Anyway.
So what you're telling me is you have full, legal right to take me to jail right now?
I have full legal right to write you for reckless him because I didn't. Well, I just did. You see?
I literally lied.
I just did see you try to pop.
Dude, no.
I tried it a couple times and you just.
Hey, I'm still. This is my first time, man. First time.
Now he had one going pretty good when I first.
Okay, now, all right. A cop's insulting me on a wheelie right now. Hey, I'm trying, okay, and I'm not doing it out there, okay.
That's true.
All right.
That was fun. I gotta stretch my legs and clean my visor off, guys. Borrow your trunk for a second. Uh-oh. Do we have any water? Oh, shit. I think I got some in my backpack. Let me see. I forgot to have my backpack on for a moment. God, I'm having fun riding this little motorcycle. Damn, it's a fun motorcycle. Take this thing off for a second. We'll see if Ian catches up before we're done with our chores. Good now. And I should mention that at this point, my son did get there. He did pass me some water. I did wipe my visor off. That's what I was doing while they were running these IDs. And now I'm good to go. Oh, I can't hear. I'm sorry, I got earplugs in.
That's what I was telling him. I knew he had the plugs in. Yours is black, 300 as well. What year model? We're typing them up.
Why?
We're giving you the form.
Just write down the plates, man. We good.
No, it won't populate.
You gonna take pictures of them or something?
No, why would I take pictures of your plate?
What do you need to know the year model for? It's all on the registration, huh?
It's not populating.
What does that mean?
It doesn't populate in our system. Remember I told you, you kept saying we're checking orange. I said, no, all we're doing is get your 28, your registration.
Yeah, no, but now we're ready to go, man.
Yeah, but once we get this...
I need my license back.
I'm going to give it to you.
Okay, cool. I'm ready. Gracias, amigo.
I was telling you, like, the registration, man, you ought to stay, all that stuff doesn't populate.
Man, y'all be safe out there. Some hooligans on the road.
Yeah, we heard about them all.
Actually, you know what? This whole time we run into nothing. But if you get anywhere near Houston or Dallas, man, it is a the road.
Extra traffic or what is it?
Yeah, just dumbasses on the road, like raising hell. I don't.
When y'all go to Dallas, so do y'all go to downtown?
I try to avoid. I go around it as much as I can, man. It's so bad.
So,
But Houston, inside the inner belt of Houston.
You would say Houston, Dallas, or LA. Have you been to LA on the bike?
Not on the bike, no. No, I've been to San Diego with friends, like hitchhiking around, but it's thick with people.
Wait till you get on.
Is that where you're from?
I've lived out there. Well, I graduated high school in SoCal.
Oh, nice. Man, beautiful out there. Beautiful out there.
You think Dallas and Houston's rough?
Yeah, I bet. I bet.
Like, so say if you miss your exit, right? And you know the next exit is 5 miles, it can take you 45 minutes to an hour because of traffic.
Unless you're one of those.
Trust me, you think they're idiots? Them fools out there will get mad when you're trying to get around.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, people. People, that's the problem. Y'all be safe, guys. Thank you much.
Fala um negócio pra você, molecote. Tá querendo perder a moto?
Não, Lobão. Por isso que eu já parei mesmo. Por isso que eu já parei.
Por que você correu de lá pra cá?
Não,
me fala.
Já me assustei, por isso que eu parei mesmo.
Se assustou?
Se assustei, eu falei, por isso que eu
Sempre
parei.
essa mesma história, mano? Se assustou?
assustei,
Abre as pernas aí, beleza? A sua moto tá em dia?
Tá em dia, chefe.
Você é habilitado?
Sim, senhor.
Então beleza.
Pode puxar aqui no negócio?
Não, espera aí, deixa eu te revistar, beleza? Você vem ali, mano, no grau, tampa a placa, vê a gente e acelera.
Ah, me assustei, Lobão.
Você já foi preso, já?
Não.
Você mora aqui mesmo?
Mora aqui.
Você vai fazer o seguinte, vai pegar a sua habilitação e o documento da moto. Vai mostrar pro meu chefe aqui.